We've had a letter.
From...
DVSA.
Why,
yes,
Tim?
DVS, Drivers Vehicle Standards Agency.
Welcome back to another Trucker Tim video, where today we're going with the King and the R500 to pick up the Trucker Tim Experiences truck. Tidy up all the tyres at the track. It's going to be a good day. Let's go. So we're on the A47 now. We've got one of Matthew Key's in front. Feel like I'm in a convoy again. A low loader convoy. So he seems to drive a lot better and pull a lot better since his service.
Go.
Fresh oil. Maybe it's just a placebo effect because you know you've done stuff to it. Wrecker with a bus on. Who's that, Sean? Left hooker? Whoa! Did you hear that? That was her wheel spinning. We slid a little bit then. We've only got Gratto beside us. Hey! Horn blasters. We're on another convoy. I'm going to ask him how he gets his beacons to flash with his high beam. I think we're going to pull into a lay-by just up here and have a little chat. Yeah, good, you? I've got some questions about your truck. Look out for excrement.
Yes.
How do you get your beacons to flash when you flash your headlights?
Freeway switch.
Freeway switch? I want that. I need some beacons first. And your horn blasters as well.
They're all right, they are.
That's what I've got coming. How are those speakers performing? Are they all right? Limited edition. See you later. Nice to see Gratto there.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Gratto got a curb. I catch everybody getting curbs. Oh, nipper. Whoop, 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 whoop. Gratto will be going straight over here. We're heading northbound and up. Yes, got there loud. That was a lovely trip up the A1. We're now coming off at Newark at the A46. Get the side pipe on. We stopped here on the way back from Scotland and had our break, if you remember. Cement mixer tang. Now, go! I've just stopped in this lovely lay-by on the A46 for a comfort break. So I've just got out for my comfort break and the roads are wet. First time driving this on the wet roads, actually, with my shoes off. Ah! Oh, it's fell onto the A46. Gotta rescue my shoe now. Woo! As you can now see from my socks, my shoes are absolutely soaked inside. Water comes through here. I've now got wet feet. Great. That's some breakfast. Something for my gut health. I've got a bit of headache as well. That is the only trouble with these tang wheels. Usually you've got like a little place to... Oh, that works. Till I knock it and it falls off. R-Series. Yes! Ooh. Hello. He's got some overhang. Here we go. Woohoo! Old matey with a wide load there was giving me a look. Like, let's get up to the airfield. Do like this retarder. Listen to it. I'll never get old, that. That noise will never get old. So on our left here we have Lincolnshire Showground. This is where Truckfest Peterborough is moving to. So this is where it will be in 2024. I tell you what, she's going to sound good through these villages. Sturgate Airport. I've arrived. Before we can load up, we've just got to move a £500,000 plane. Is that it?
That's in my phone.
I like it, just pull it from the propeller.
Yeah.
So the first job we've got to do is pick up all the tyres. So what I'm going to do, put the ramps down at the back, roll them on, load them on the back here, bring them up to the top, and then we're going to unload them at the top. There's people on my trailer. I think this person had a bad day here. Look at that, straight through there. Boom.
And the first bit of exercise Tim's done for a few weeks. You wanted that filming because it's the lower tire, didn't you?
Don't film me putting the top tyre on. It's embarrassing. Like that, don't you? You like trucks?
I do like that, yeah.
Do you play bowls?
I do play bowls.
Do you? He actually does. We'll get all these off and then I've got to load up the experiences truck. Whoa! So what we're making here is the Great Wall of Sturgate. These will be here until we set up again after the summer. You've got to try and get me GoPro. Oh, Christ! Ow! Oh, hello. Ooh. Sorry! It'll polish out. It won't polish out. Oh no. Right, let's get the truck on. It's time for you to come home with me. Let's load her up onto the 500 V8. We'll get lined up first. I just hit the floor. It's always a bit nerve-wracking, this. Few little marks. Imagine if that was the R series then, oh my god. Let's get some straps on the old girl. That's an issue we need to sort when it gets back. I've gone round here, pulled that down, so that's pulling that down nice and tightly. Put one strap there, in there, pulling it that way, one strap in there and there, pulling it that way. Done that all round, and in a minute we're going to dump the air so it's not so high. Get the ramps up. I'm happy that that's not going to go anywhere. Let's drop it to the deck. Beacons on for this application. We're on the runway. Be back soon. And the experiences truck will look a lot different. Got to turn around in here. Let's take her home. The experiences truck is coming home for a small transformation, shall we say. I'm not moving. Yeah. This is the only trouble with the A17. Tractors! Worst road for tractors. A nice lay-by, look! Oh, oh! Well done, I wasn't expecting that. They don't usually. Everyone always gets in the wrong lane here. Oh, here we go. Hey. Windows down! Windows down! No, ambulance. It's okay. Windows up. Nice. I want to be doing a little bit of that. We need some of that on the King once we get our marker boards on. Sean! I don't know if I've ever been through Wisbridge on the channel. She'll sound good through here though, I know that. Jeez, boy. Yes! Oh. That is so noisy. I love this truck so much. You listen to her pull away from here. people giving tongues. Hey. Martin Hall's trailer. She's landed.
Evening.
I got us another project. You might recognise it. I just want you to come and check it over because this was my first ever solo load on the low loader. Look what I did.
It.
Yes.
Yes,
Look,
yes, very good.
Look,
Very
that's
good.
not very central, but that's
No, it
worked.
doesn't matter. Oh, you got,
Look,
yeah,
you've
got plenty of.
this sort of effect.
Oh, yeah, that's
'Cause
fine.
That's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
I see Mick Sorder do that once.
Did you?
Yes, and I thought,
Oh,
yes,
you
I'll
have
do that.
Picked up bits when you've been out with people.
Yeah.
What happened here? I bet
What?
someone run a
Yes.
tire over. Put some grease on that fifth wheel. Look,
Yeah, look at that. Do you like that? Where's Kyle?
he's gone home.
Oh.
Like you're strapping.
Probably wouldn't do that with Durabrights.
No.
Like, if you know. Are you impressed?
Oh, I am impressed.
Yeah, don't just ignore this bit.
What's happened here? Now, if that was a customer's motor,
Oh, it's not, it's mine.
did anyone watch you on?
No, I just did it myself. I caught my bumper on the way up the ramp.
How did you manage that? Didn't you jack it right up in the air?
No, I forgot.
A little bit of tools to make it easy
Yeah.
on the vehicle and... You
Didn't
crashed
use
it.
them.
No. Go back.
Nothing's gone loose. I'm really proud of myself.
I'm proud of you, Tim. I'm going to put
So
you
next
on...
time you have a break day. Well, when we get that winch on.
Are we putting the winch on the neck or are we putting it here? In here.
I need some short straps for this application.
And some Durabrights for the trailer. Because the Durabrights on the trailer will look good behind my lorry.
Let's get the winch on first. Marker boards, for instance.
Oh, yeah. What's happened to that triangle?
I don't know what happened.
Did you back into something? What have you backed into today?
Yeah, we've got big plans with this, Sean. Inspection,
Brake test.
brake test, and then it needs to go for an MOT.
Can we put it on the road then?
I might use it for occasions, such as content. So,
MOTs? Yeah, I'll do that.
thank you, mate. I do like to keep you busy, Sean.
I know you do.
Get you some grease on that fifth wheel. You're good at greasing fifth wheels.
Yeah.
Oh
Wags
dear.
on, wags off. As we've seen recently.
As we've seen recently.
I don't like standing behind.
No, you shouldn't really stand behind it, really. I'll fire her up. Why didn't you leave the keys in it?
Took them out in case.
In case what? Someone stole it on the back when it was strapped on. Here we are in Shea Volvo. Mirrors.
Ready to roll, Sean?
Ooh!
I made it really awkward for him, look. Go, oh, up, you gotta go up. Oh my God! Do you know how to use this?
No, don't God mode
Look.
there on the
So
front.
when it's on that one, it's on the back, that's the front. Feel.
Oh yeah, I tried that and it wouldn't work.
Well, come on, Tang.
Don't let me back into the new gates.
No, I won't. Go straight back, then drive down there. You're all right, driver.
It'll look good.
You look awesome. Dust!
Do a burnout with a Volvo.
Yeah, go on then. No, mate. Well, this ain't got the grunt, has it? It's only 400. All my lorries seem to make a knocking noise. Is that the compressor as well?
Could be the timing gears.
Oh, my, what? The timing?
Timing gears.
Can we give it a service then?
Yeah.
I don't want to pull a trailer with it.
Why?
Could be another show truck. So what I'm thinking, you know when they slam to the floor?
Yeah.
Make some side skirts up at some fabrication place. Make them up so they're like just off the floor.
But when it's slammed.
When it's slammed, and then I can imagine it, big smooth catwalk, back bumper, and the back, big stacks. It'll look so mean. Wouldn't it look mean?
It would look good.
Just looking round at it, let's give me your opinion.
Can't go wrong with a Volvo. Flapjacks.
Flapjacks, mate.
Got a ball bag.
Bulb out, yeah, that's small things.
Here you are.
Sean, I've never checked it.
Have you never checked it? That's to plug your caravan in.
But this is content another day. This is how you move the 50. It's got a pipe on.
What that is?
What's that? Eminox, it says.
Been converted to Euro 5.
It's been converted. The pipe off. Yeah, that's broke. But
Plug in.
with this attached at the back, look.
Yeah.
When you move that backwards and forwards, it's a raise and lower. The chassis is really good, isn't it? I can see Kyle looking around this of an evening.
Oh yes. Yes. Ooh, what can I pilferage?
Lavi's lorry, rest in peace. So here's my 4 Series. Nothing has changed. It is gonna happen, I promise. Just gotta get all the bits for it. And here is my Experiences truck. Oh, hazards on. Park it next to Kyle's. Yeah, why does it rattle so much? Where's that rattling coming from? Yes, yes. I don't think it's a compressor because it never stops.
Right, you know what that was, didn't you?
What?
Fantastic.
That was fantastic. Thank you very much.
Be gentle with it, don't break it this time, will you? The last engine in there for a rod out the side.
This one will be next.
Come on, drive. Look, I've got some new gates. Kyle backed into the last ones and knocked them off. Can he back it in here, blind, to in front of that tipper without a shunt? I bet you he has 2 shunts. Come on, drive. Not too hard. He's gonna get it wrong. He's gonna get it all wrong here. He's gonna be in the gate here. Come on, drive. Keep going. Straighten the steering on the unit. Right, come back like that. Come on, old tang. Keep going. Give it some. Oh, look at them Susies. Can you do it? Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's sending it hard now. Come on, drive. That'll do, pig. Yeah, I'm through.
So, Sean, there we go. Over in the Walker Movement stroke Law Exports corner.
A couple of crappy old silver Volvos and a stripped out old Scania. Is that not what you was looking for?
They've had a report.
Of
Emissions of smoke from a motor vehicle.
smoke?
Smoke. I'll read you the letter. I am writing to let you know, this is very serious, of a report we have received about a vehicle operating by you allegedly emitting an unacceptable amount of exhaust smoke whilst on the highway. Details of the reports were as follows. Registration mark, not V8 boy, which it should be, Helen.
Well, no, but yeah, especially not now, Tim.
Date of incident wasn't provided. Time wasn't provided. And
I mean, it wasn't provided. So someone witnessed you but didn't know where or when they witnessed you.
They knew where, location, M6 toll,
Oh.
but they didn't know the time or the date.
What?
So I would say they've probably watched a video. I'd say it's a false accusation. Well, it is. No, it is a false accusation because my truck doesn't emit black smoke.
To be fair, it doesn't. The black box doesn't work.
How dare you?
What black box? Helen, you're not helping.
Well, it doesn't, though. It doesn't emit smoke, though, does it? Let's be honest.
No, it don't smoke. You didn't have to mention that.
It doesn't smoke,
It
Tim.
doesn't smoke. The DVSA would like you to establish whether the level of smoke emissions from your vehicle is within the legal limit. It would be preferable to do this using a smoke meter.
How do we have one of them? Where do we get that from?
Sean. Although please note, the DVSA cannot reimburse any costs.
Oh, great.
Anywho, I'll continue. Emitting an unacceptable amount of smoke would be a contravention of Regulation 61 of the Road Vehicle Construction and Use. The use of such vehicle is not only wasteful of fuel, but is harmful to the environment. It says, could you please advise the Remote Enforcement Office by email actions you have taken within 10 working days of the date of receiving this letter?
So we need to do it now, really?
June, I got this letter. It's now the not. We ain't got long to basically email them and say, my truck doesn't emit black smoke.
Okie
And then they'll
dokie.
be happy.